anytime they will be asking you. So please cooperate and submit it to me. And today I'll be calling each and every one of you and I collect the data. Yesterday I thought of calling you, but I had some other work, so I couldn't do it. So please make sure available after 6 p.m. Okay, so you all be available to have a phone call. I will calling you each and every one. So we will have a word with you. Okay. So slowly we will go into today's session, and for today's morning thought, I have got a small story to tell you. Okay. Can anyone unmute and read what is on the screen?
There is something within you.
Yes, something within you. That is the theme I chose for today's session, and we'll go. Okay. Can everyone see the flower in my hand? Can everyone see the flower in my hand? Yes, hibiscus. Jana is telling hibiscus. Yes, it is hibiscus. Yes. Okay. So, can anyone tell what is special in hibiscus? What is special in hibiscus? Harish, can you stop presenting, Harish? Yes. Okay. Okay. Every flower is unique, right? Each and every flower we see unique. So there is no difference between hibiscus or rose or anything else. Every flower has a unique feature and unique, mm, yes, good for hair growth and medical purpose. Unique feature, unique appearance, unique character, and unique benefits. Okay, so even our life also like flower, right? Maybe not hibiscus, maybe flower, which is white in color, which is yellow in color. But everyone are unique, right? Are we unique? Are we unique? Janasri, Pradeep Kumar, Gayatri, Ashikuti, Mukesh, Professor Valan, Rexelin, everyone are unique, right? Yes. Our life also very much unique in character. But what happens in life? What happens in life? We all have problem. Okay, we all have different problems. So what happens is the flower misses its hope, like it loses its petal, right? So it's losing its petal, and we have when we have failure, when we have disappointments, we all become broke. This unique flower becomes broke. That means our life too will broke at times with various reasons. Very much specifically, if we tell, when we face failure, when we face problems in life which we cannot solve it, when we face some disappointments in life, we all will be broke. What will happen once the flower is broke? Once the flower is destroyed, what will happen? It will be going to trash, right? Can you see what is this? What is this? Yes, it will go to trash. We all dump our life in some trash. This trash is something like our negativity, our dustbin. Yes, Manigan, yes, dustbin. This trash is something that uh, dumps all our failures. Okay, maybe we may be unique in nature, we may be unique in characteristics, unique in talents, but still, when we miss our hope in life, that means when we broke into pieces, we all go to trash. Is it possible you come back to normal life from out of the trash? Is it possible to come out a trash as clean were you before? Is it possible? Is it possible? No. Okay. It's okay. Fine. Now I will be relating this dustbin and the flower with my life. And we have seen many motivations, right? We see from Don Bosco, he was a very poor background family. He founded a congregation that serves many young, and we know many people who inspire us in life. We can name millions, right? We can have very good number of examples for each and every one for their problem. See, look at this person. He did it like this. He did it like this. Yes, our world is full of inspiring stories. Our world is full of inspiring stories. When you go out of your home, if you ask someone about their life, they may give you something to inspire. And same thing, I too have something to tell you. Like this flower, I also broke many times in my life. Many times. When during my 12th, I was in Tamil medium, okay? Till my 10th standard, I was in Tamil medium. 11th and 12th, my parents put me in English medium. I couldn't cope up with the English medium. And the school I studied is something great in the place where I live. A majority of my classmates are from doctors' children, advocates' children, or from good reputed family. So they all shine well. I'm the only person who get fail in the class. That was my poorest case in my class 12. And somehow I cleared my class 12 with all the struggles. I did all the mysterious activities I 12. I just lost my hope of life way back in my 12. Then my parents never gave up on me. They told me, Valan, I can see something in you. Okay, that is very important. Vasant, can you unmute yourself, Vasant? Yes. Usman, please stop sharing Usman. You're just disturbing the class. Vasant, please mute yourself, Vasant. Don't unmute yourself. Vasant, please mute yourself, Vasant. Vasant, mute yourself, Vasant. Vasant, can you hear me, Vasant? Please mute yourself, Vasant. Okay. So I was broke that time, but my parents told me, no issues. Yeah, I can see something in you. And I went to college. College also, I didn't do well. And I was having arrears. I had 20 arrears altogether in my engineering. Okay. And I used to clear, like, I used to get one or two in the semester. Next semester, I clear something and I get another. So, like that, it went on. Till my final year, I had around 10 to 12 arrears I had in my last semester. Okay. I had three jobs offers as well. Three job offers, one from IBM, one from VWR, and another from Paper as a startup. Okay. In IBM, I went for internship. I had all the potential. Okay. I had all the potential. And see, I also like the environment where I live, where I worked in IBM. But I couldn't clear the arrears. They told me you have to clear the arrears by the end of that particular academic year. I ended up with six arrears, four mathematics paper, M4, M2, M3, M4, and once again I failed in one AC paper, that is electronic communication paper, and one in signals and system. So all the six are mathematics oriented. I am poor in mathematics, so I failed in the six papers. I couldn't clear it. All my classmates are in a super fantasy job. Okay, every one of them, every one of my UG mates. Okay, all my engineering friends were in a good job. Like they are in, some of them in Microsoft, some of them are in Germany, some of them working for Ford, some of them working for some MNCs, which we can tell. So there are different people who started their flourishing career when I was huge, when I was completing my UG. Then I went to Papyrus. Papyrus offered me a job that though I had RES, they allowed me for a job. I was there. Job was good, all good, very good. It was going well, very, very fine for 8 months. And after 8 months, the company broke, financially broke. It was startup, right? Some internal issues, the company got off, and I also lost my job. No arrears, no job, only 8 months of experience. I was just in the streets. Okay, I was living with the support of my auntie at Coimbatore where I studied. I have no choice. Once again, I was broke. Like I went to trash again. Once again, I was thinking life is good. We'll go forward. Then lost. Then I went to join in a cafe. The cafe called Buddy's Cafe. There I met a person called Nirmal. Okay, he's a founder. If possible, you check in Buddy's Cafe in Coimbatore. It's an inspiring story that man brought it. He's there. He's still having a cafe, expanding his business. Like I worked in the cafe. Think of engineer working in cafe. I used to go to cafe at 8:30 a.m. I used to open the shop. There will be one Anna will be there. He used to make tea and other thing. He used to make in kitchen, and I used to take orders. I used to clean tables. Think of an engineering graduate doing the thing. I was in the trash. Okay, I was in a really big problem of life. I was think sometimes I used to think whether my life will end here as a waiter or a server there. It's a very startup. No, there is nothing wrong calling that a person who is doing that. I was never worried of the thing. I was very happy even though working there because Nirmal Anna was telling me so many things he did it in life. He is also from very good reputed family background and he had a wonderful job, but he quit the job and he started that cafe that with some mission of his father. Okay, so I was thinking, and one fine day, for another some reasons, I have to come back to Chennai, where my home is here. And since my parents always supported me, they once again told me, yes, we see something in you, you can do it. Then again, I started. I was for the next 1 year. I joined in one of the marketing company, and I was working in a marketing field. And then still, I couldn't complete my degree. Okay, till 2 years of my engineering, I couldn't complete my degree because of mathematics. I just ended up and I just cleared out of six. I cleared it two, so I got 4 arrears. 2 years done, and I see my friends climbing up slowly, 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 slowly in their career, and I see myself in the crash, broken, completely broken. When everyone told me you have something in you, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Okay, the life went on, and I determined in the 2018 March, I decided I am going to give all my best in my engineering exam, and I'm going to get the degree. Then I went and studied. I prepared. Still in my table, the preparation done for my arrear exam book lies. I used to verify it. Okay, how I prepared. That was a hard work. I could have put it little early or a little ahead. That same hard work and effort, but I I didn't do it because I had some other activities. I had fun with my other friends in the college. I was traveling all around, enjoying the life. That was something that I used to feel bad for it, but that also taught me well. You should have fun in life also. You should enjoy your life, but that should not direct you to the trash where I was. Then I cleared the arrears, and that particular year, the company where I worked gave me so much of opportunity. I was utilizing all the opportunity, all my talents perfectly. Then I thought of going to MBA. Okay, why not MBA? Again, I joined MBA with some other reason and some other purpose. Then I found one more professor called Professor Gomadi Shankar. He told me, Valan, you have something in you. He told, you have something in you, man. Why do you worry? Don't worry. Just go and write net exam. You can be a good teacher. You can be a good professor. You can enhance students' life. Then I went and wrote the examination. You, you just remember I was a student for second year of MBA going for my net examination where my other professors are sitting near me in the exam hall, the center. I'm really afraid. I didn't prepare much. I didn't do much of preparation. Didn't go for any coaching classes. Nothing. I just learned each and every day's activity which is given in the college. I was just listening. I was just connecting with real life. Then I got cleared my net exam. Then I applied a job at Don Bosco, and here I am from the trash again a new flower. See, from a trash to again I can be I can proudly say that yes, still I am learning a lot, and I think I could learn more something in coming days. But still, I am able to get me out of the dustbin where I was very broke. Literally, nothing was with me. But here I am again a flower. Each day, I look at this hibiscus flower. It is just opposite my door of my home. So as you enter the gates, this flower will be there. Whenever morning I go and water the plant, this flower will remind me of my life. If you are withered, if you are destroyed, if you are broken, you will get a one more opportunity. But you have to realize that you have something in you. Okay? So if you realize that you have something in you, we all can achieve in life. That is the message for the day, and I wish everyone finds that something in you and come up like a beautiful flower that is in the eyes. Good morning. Good morning, dear friends. Hey, thank you so much. Hope you all will understand what is important in life is believing something in you. We need not to look for a big inspiration. We need not to talk about Steve Jobs. We need not talk about Bill Gates. We need not talk about Satyamurthy. We need not talk about Michael Jordan. Each and every one of you can be one. Okay, Vikram, Varsha, Supriya, Sanjay, Mukesh, Solomon, Aravind, Harish, Vijay Kumar, Karthik, Gayatri, Prateep, Janasri, Kokila, Rexlin, Ashwini. Everyone has something in you which is unique. Bring out that and you will shine. For the next 3 years, 3 years, make this in mind. I will never ever go to trash. I will never ever go to trash. Even if you go to trash, you determine that I will be flourishing one day. Make sure you don't go to trash and enjoy the life. Okay, shall we go ahead? Shall we? Shall we go ahead for the next session for our digital literacy class? Yes, okay. So far, what are the things we learned? Can anyone summarize it? What are the things we learned so far? What are, yes, Google Meet, okay. Janasri telling Google Meet, we learned 10 minutes. What else? Do not forget, if someone asks what you learned, straight away go for that formula. That is very important. Okay. Yes, that is the basic of anything. Google Meet, Google Search, Google Drive. Apart from all these things, the formula is very important. If anyone asks you what you learned these many days, you just tell that formula. Yes, effective teamwork. Yes, nice. Just yeah, effective teamwork, the formula, all the Google products, and wonderful. So keep in mind, if someone asks you, just first you tell the formulas. We learned 3 years, 3L and R. We learned, and in digital marketing we learned. Sorry, in digital literacy we learned different activities. Yes, good. Okay. Today I am going to give you another perspective of life, since I told a story which we all can relate in today's session. So I'm going to connect it with one particular formula, or one more formula that for your uh, career life. Okay, okay. Can a few of you unmute and tell what is your dream in life? What is your dream in life? Can anyone tell, unmute and tell what is your dream in life? What is your dream in life? Anyone? Anyone would like to share it? Hello, anyone like to share the dream of? Yes. Hello, anybody? Shall I pick the volunteer? Nobody. Nobody like to volunteer. Solomon is there. Solomon. Solomon.
Yes, sir.
Solomon, what is your dream in your life, Solomon?
I want to play football match in ISL, sir.
Okay, you want to play a football match in ISL. Nice, Solomon. That's a great dream. What is your favorite football team in ISL?
So Chennai FC, sir.
Nice. Okay, my favorite too. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Pradeep, what is your always be happy? Gayatri is telling. Yes, that is a wonderful dream we can all pursue, right? It's okay. Okay. Anybody's Pradeep Kumar, can you tell what is your dream in your life? Pradeep? Okay. Okay, so we will go with that. I will become a volleyball player, sir. Yes, nice, Pradeep. Good. So Junaid is saying travel whole India by bike. Nice, Junaid. You can please take me also with you. Okay. Ashukuti, death like a legend. Wow, nice. And Janasi, make my mom a real queen. Nice. Rexin to become a successful entrepreneur. Yes, Junaid, nice. Thank you, Junaid. Thank you. Rahul Raj, advocate. Good. Okay, we got a beautiful name, own business, Nitish Nitin, whole business. So I was telling you, right, make your life unique like a flowers, and it is very important that we all have to live our dream, right? Everyone has something in their life, something in your life as a dream. The dream can be anything. When I was doing my school days, I used to think to become a cricket player. I was very crazy about that game. Okay, when that was during my 8th standard or 10th standard. When I entered in 11 and 12, I want to become a F1 driver. I was fond of various sports. I like sports very much. Even if I watch a same football match or same cricket match 100 times, I won't get bored. I will be watching each and every day. So then later, when I went to college, there I used to play football. I used to be a goalkeeper. So I thought, why not goalkeeper? Then the third year and fourth year, more of these placements and all these things used to come. I used to participate in some competition. I used to think, why not start a business? All these things. I achieved a business activity. Somehow I just find myself for 3 or 4 months I was doing it, but didn't come out well. So I said, okay, let's stop it. But still, the urge is there. Someday I have to start one thing on my own, and that can be different. Okay, everyone has different dreams at different level. If you think சின்ன வயசுல யாருன்னா பசங்க கேட்டா டாக்டர் ஆகணும் போலீஸ் ஆகணும் பட் when they come up in life they might be something else like me. I thought of something. I went for MBA for some other purpose, but I ended in something else which I never thought of I'll be doing good. But each day I'm enjoying it. Each day I'm really enjoying it. As Gayatri told, I'm happy. Yes, that goal, that dream is achieved a lot. So what the topic I'm going to discuss you is will help you to design your dream. It is very important that designing our dream is very important. That is where we all lack. The perspective of life is lacked when we have no proper design in our life. Okay, even if you want to become a football player, a cricket player, or a volleyball player, or a businesswoman, or a advocate, or a policeman, or a professor, or anything, any dream you like to do needs some design. For the design, you need to work. That is what I am going to discuss today. It is a big process of life that we are going to cover it in 15 minutes. Oh, how you will going to do is you are going to participate along with me. Can anyone take a pen and paper near with you, or already you have it? How many of you have pen and paper with you near you? Put yes for yes, put N for no. Yes, yes, I am yes. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, nice, good. Everyone has a pen and paper. Nice, thank you so much. If you don't have pen and paper, go quickly grab it and come back. Okay, I'll give you 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, uh, yes, everyone, majority have it. Okay, nice, super. Yeah, you guys are learning. Good. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about Ikigai. Okay, it is a Japanese mantra of achieving the goal. Anyone know about this? Anyone know about this Ikigai? If you know, put yes. If you don't know, put N. Anyone know Ikigai? Anyone knows Ikigai? What is Ikigai? No, 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 no. Yes, no. Okay, fine. So today we will learn this Ikigai. Okay, this Ikigai is something I liked when I was MBA second year starting. I was just going through internet and I just found this. I buying a book. I thought of buying a book, but a lot of resources are available on internet. I was just learning. I just loved this. Okay, see, Ikigai is considered of four different aspects of life. Okay, everyone has a passion, right? Everyone has a passion, right? If yes, put yes, yes. If no, put as N. Everyone has passion. Yes, I have passion. Yes, I go for yes. Everyone has a passion. Okay, yes. So the passion is different. Someone want to be cricketer, someone want to travel all over the world, or someone want to yes, Janice is a reason for being. Yes, nice, nice, Janice. I was about to tell you that. Okay, and there is always a mission, right? We all come to this world for particular mission. Do you believe it or not? That you have come to this world for some purpose, right? Can you believe? Yes, I believe. Yes, everyone believes. Yes. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Extreme, yes. Okay, yes, nice. Okay. Everyone has a vocation. Vocation, right? Vocation means some something you have to do for your life. For example, those who become priests, they call it as they have vocation or priesthood. Okay, so some we all have some role to play in this life, right? Like a teacher, like a housewife, like a husband, like a sportsman, like a businessman. We all something to do with our right. Is it yes or no? Yes, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. And finally, we have got that profession. Okay. So vocation and profession is little different. Okay. We'll not go deeper in that. These two are different. You can, if you have free time, just verify what is vocation and what is profession. If we go deeper, it will take much longer time and we'll not cover what we're supposed to do. Okay. So this ikigai is a meaning of the reason for being. That is the definition for ikigai. It is a Japanese formula that tells the reason for being. The reason for being a unique flower in life, being a unique in life, and avoiding from the trash. If you go to trash, you'll all broke. So that is very, very important formula that we can use it for ikigai. This ikigai is very beautifully designed, and you can all see this. I will put this in a WhatsApp group. You can take a note of it, and we will work on it. Okay, we have got lot of time. 3 years we have, right? Very good time, so we can start slowly and we can rehearse it. We can do it. See, many of you have different dreams. If all of you achieve these dreams, I'll be more happy because you entered your college life with me, like me. So I'm also entering a new job. You also entered in your new life. See, we all also work together and we go forward. Okay. So you all know this Venn diagram, right? You all studied in mathematics Venn diagram. I know, so I put it as yes. I know it's Venn diagram. How many of you know? Yes. Okay. Yes. So Ikigai is also Venn diagram that intersects with each other. Okay, and in the center it is connected with Ikigai. Every circle, the four circle, that tells reason for being. நான் எதுக்காக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றது சொல்றது தான் அந்த சென்டர் சர்க்கிளோட இன்டர்கனெக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ வில் டேக் சர்க்கிள்ஸ் அண்ட் வி வில் டூ இட். ஓகே, ஸோ the passion பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is passion and mission is connected one another, and it is put as what you love. Okay, can you see, is it visible for you people, or should I zoom it? Is it visible? Yes, okay, yeah. So this is very very important. Passion and mission should be focused on what you love. What you love. I love to play football. That is your passion and mission. That is related with passion and mission. Okay. There is some intersection point, right? There is one gap is there, right? That is the place delight and fullness, but not wealth. It is clearly mentioned. You should enjoy. You should have satisfaction, but you should not focus on money in there. If you have passion and mission, you should not have a basic idea on money about it. Okay, you should not run behind money with your passion and mission. That is a process of ikigai. Very very plain example. Your passion and mission should not be related with your wealth. Maybe they tell that you can make money out of your passion and mission, but it is not like that. Okay, that will not work. You become, once you become money minded, that you will easily corrupt it. Okay, so passion mission is should be what you love, and it should be out of your wealth. You should not focus on wealth. If you like to be an athlete, you go and you perform and you enjoy. That is your passion. Okay, then we have got the mission and vocation. Okay, that is something very important that relates with the society, that relates with the next person sitting next to me in the bus or train or the flight. Is a third person who is nowhere related from me. That is called what the world needs. Our mission and vocation. What is my mission in life? What is my vocation in life? Should be related with what the world needs. I should not look only myself. I should look for what the world needs. That is very, very important. See, here there is a one interconnection point, right? That point is telling that excitement and complacency, but sense of uncertainty. What does this mean? Yes, it is very exciting. When you go out and help people, it is very, 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 very much exciting. But you know what it could bring. You know what struggles it can bring to you. That is very, very, very important. Okay, the complacency is something with self-satisfaction. The complacency, word complacency defines you self-satisfaction. That is very important. It is excitement and self-satisfaction. Yes, I helped the poor, I'm happy, but there will be uncertainty. You cannot help everyday beggar. You cannot. But that will, if when you do, it will give you some excitement and self-satisfaction. Complacency. Make a note of the word complacency. Complacency means self-satisfaction. Okay. Then we got profession and vocation. See, here it is called as what you can be paid for, where you can make money. You cannot live without money, but you can identify ways you can go for that option. Okay, you should know where I can make money, in which way I can make money. See, that is what this interconnection is there. Profession and vocation. See, there also, see, one point is there. Comfortable. You will feel comfortable. If you like the job which you love, yes, you are going to love it. But make sure there will be some emptiness in your life. There will be some emptiness in your life. That also you have to make sure. Okay. Next, we'll go on to pause this final circle. There we connect with passion and profession. What you are good at. Okay. Passion and profession. See, I am good at what do you say? I am good at delivering pizza means. I can start a pizza shop. I even if I like doing pizza, this is my passion. Yes, I can connect it, I can find it what I am good, in which way I can good at. There also I can feel my satisfaction. Yes, I can feel my satisfaction. But remember, sometimes you will feel useless. என்னடா வாழ்க்கை இது? We all feel that, right? Everyone feel that same, right? What is this life? You see, I felt it, so I put it bravely. I put my hands up. Yes, I told, what is this life? I have told many times. I grumbled. Yes, we all do it. But what is ikigai interconnects everything. If we have passion, if we have mission, if we have vocation, if we have profession, you are going to find this ikigai. Okay, if you know what you love, if you know what the world needs, if you know what can get you paid or what can give you a job, and if you know what you are good at, you can again achieve ikigai. That is reason for being you, reason for being. What is ikigai tells you? If you have passion, if you have mission, if you have vocation, if you have profession, if you know what you love, if you know what this world needs, if you know what you can pay it for, or if you know what you are good at, you can delight, you can have fullness, you can have excitement, you can have complacency, which is your self satisfaction, you can have comfort, you can also have very good peaceful mind. And also you can come out of your feeling of uselessness, you can also come out of your sense of uncertainty, you can also come out of your emptiness, and you can come out of your money minded thoughts, and you will be finding your ikigai. This is the reason I am, this is what makes me unique, this is how I am going to live my life. But this is very hard. This 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 process is very very hard. This is something that you cannot find out easily. That is very complicated thing, right? To find out what is passion, what is mission, what is vocation, what is profession, what I am good at. That is not a single day process. Remember, always remember, no Rome or no city built in a single day. Rome is not built in a single day. No city built in a single day. It takes process. It starts from day one. Today is, what is the date today? What is the date today? Anyone knows what is the date today? Yes, 1/9/2020. Yes, we are in the day one of this month. We have got 30 days, solid 30 days we have got. Either you can do useless thing and waste your time, done with your 30 days, or you can build on something that help you for your life. And remember, you have to be unique. You should not reach the trash. Even if you reach the trash already, if you feel, sir, I am a trash, I am a trash, you can come out of it. For that, you need to design your ikigai. You need to understand what is your passion, what is your mission, what is your vocation, what is your profession. Just write down. Take a take a paper. I think you all took a notes of it. You just take a paper and write what you love. List out the points. What the world needs. What the what are things can pay it for. See, today job market is very different, and tomorrow's job market is very different. Today, if a job pays you 1 lakh rupees, tomorrow it will not pay you even 10,000 rupees. Think of after 3 years when you complete your BBA, come out to this market, and if you look for some job, what will happen? All this technology, all these skills will be outdated. This is 3 years old man, they will tell. With this, we have any other work? We don't have any other work, they will tell. What you will do? You will be worried, you will be having some disappointment, you will feel you are useless, you will feel you are empty. You will feel sense of uncertainty. You will crave for money more and more. If you know, you will only blame money. Since I don't have money, I couldn't do it. Since I don't have money, I couldn't achieve this. Since I don't have money, I couldn't buy this. Since I don't have money, I couldn't go for it. You will go for blaming money. But reason is it is with you. You don't find your purpose of life or being the reason for this, you will not succeed. I am in a process. I will not tell that I am a Magan or I am a legend in doing this. Even I am also trying to figure it out. Even I have my own shortcomings. Shortcomings means kind of doing mischievous activity, all those things. Even I have my own negative thoughts. Even I have my own low self-esteem. But I'm trying to overcome it each and every day by doing something or the other. I wish you all take some time and find the ikigai which is for you. Take a paper, write down these 4 points. Don't just complicate things, just make it simple. Take a paper, just what you love, what the world needs, what the world can pay for it. From you what you love and from the what the world needs, what the world can pay for you, just remember it. And then list out what you are good at. This four is very very simple terms. Yes, I know I love to play football. Yes, India needs more good players in their country to play for. Yes, even if I play well in my lower levels, one day I can add an auction. I will get some lakhs or crores. Yes, and finally, what you're good at? I am good at defense position. I am good at wings. I am good at center. I am good at goalkeeping. Yes, you can do it. For that, you need to find your ikigai and remember, you are unique. You are different feature from other. Your talents are unique. Like this flower, it has different smell, different color, different feature, different appearance. Even if you feel, sir, I am broke, I went to trash. No, it is a new day. You can come out and you can achieve better. Shall we do it together? Yes. Shall we do it together? Yes. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, guys. That's all for the day. Hope I could be able to enlighten you with few thoughts on the day one of this month. So have a practice of enjoying the life, as someone was telling. I think Gayatri was telling. I want to enjoy life. Have a practice of enjoying life, and it will help you to achieve greater goals. Thank you.